I've suffered with stress-related hair loss. I had hair loss starting at 14, I had hair loss in my 20s, and after having my last child. When I noticed my hair falling out again, it was upsetting, it was depressing. Why is this happening to me again? I noticed an increase in my shedding, especially when I showered. There'd be a significant amount of hair loss after washing my hair, brushing through my hair afterwards. I definitely noticed a big amount of thinning here on the sides of my hair. It seems to be the place that I always notice it first, is right there on the sides, and then gradually the hair loss will be all over as well. I noticed a slowing down of the thinning as well as regenerated hair from the loss. Since telling my story 6 years ago, I've had so many people, men and women, reach out to me online, over text, asking me for help. And I love that I'm able to provide them a solution that I know will help them. You really have nothing to lose. It's a free consultation. If anything else, they can put your mind to ease. As a working mom with a busy life, I love that this has been so convenient. With the treatments, you're in and out in less than 45 minutes. Just know that you're not alone. You're going to meet with somebody who's actually been through hair loss themselves. If you're searching for a solution, go to the people that can help you.